Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about two important AI tools. So one is for content writing, another one is to generate better images, and also you can customize the image or you can upload your image and you can add whatever you want. So these are the two important tools we are going to discuss in this video. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tools. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct live MATLAB workshop on EV charging station with PV and wind energy sources. So in this workshop, we are going to model PV and wind energy sources for EV charging station, and we are going to explore it with different maximum power point tracking algorithm, and we are going to grasp maximum amount of energy from that renewable energy sources, and we are going to feed it to EV charging station. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. So if you are interested to learn MATLAB basics, so here is an opportunity for you to learn MATLAB basics. So this is a workshop, a comprehensive MATLAB workshop from basics to advanced application. So in this workshop, we are going to explore MATLAB environment, and we are going to analyze basic syntaxes in MATLAB, 2D and 3D plottings, and we are going to explore the different types of toolbox, that is fuzzy logic, ANFIS and neural network toolboxes. And also we are going to make a live tuning of a PID controller to achieve better results for your application. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. So see you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the first AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that contents.com. So here you can see this is the contents. So next, this is the dashboard of this contents. So in this you can see different options are available. Trends, SEO, AI panel. So in this AI panel you can see AI chat. So it's like a chat bot. By giving input prompt, it will generate content. Next, AI writer. So it will write content for us. Next, this is AI art. So by according to the input prompt, it will generate better images for your paper. Next, audio to text AI translation. And also here you can see human based services. So if you want anything to write, you can register for this human based services. So by asking some price, that is amount, it will provide the services for you. So if you are, you can check that one also. So first we will explore AI chat. So here you can see, so this is the dashboard of this AI chat. So you can select any language. So after that I can select British English. So personality, general, professor, or like that. I am going to select professor. So save to a folder, new folder. You can create folder name. For example, I am going to save it as a LMS. So you can create your folder. So here you can see there is no limit what you can ask a chat to do. So these are the templates how to ask. For example, generate an outline for the thesis title, modeling of PV and wind energy sources for EV charging station. So this is the input prompt I have given. So let us see how this contents.com will generate answers for us. So it will take several seconds to generate. So here you can see our content is generated. So here introduction, background of the study, problem statement, objectives of the study, literature review. So it is categorized into three, that is solar, PV, wind energy, electric vehicles. Next, in methodology, data collection and analysis, modeling approach, simulation software used, results and analysis. In this you can see comparison of different scenarios, impact of various factors of the integration of renewable energy sources for EV charging station. Next is discussion. In this discussion you can see interpretation of results, review of the objectives of the study, comparison of the study results with those of other researchers. Next, in conclusion you can see summary of study, conclusion based on research objectives and outcomes, future recommendations of the research, List of sources used in literature review, that is references. So this is how you can select the that is personality, and you can save it in your folder. So after that you can use this for your future use also. So make use of this chat to generate a better content. So like that you can give any prompt, it will write for you. Next I am going to give explore the option called AI Writer. So in this, click on AI Writer. So these are the different templates available in this AI Writer. So starting from your paragraph generator, pros and cons, problem, agitate solution, academic essay outline, creative stories, SEO article. Next here you can see terms and conditions. You can generate terms and conditions for your company also, private policy. Next this is related with e-commerce. Next as usual with social media and ads related templates. Next text tools. This is very important, we have to watch out for our research paper writing. Here you can see content rewriter. Next one is summarize text, grammar checker, summarize for a second grader, content paraphraser, summary for URL, rewriter from URL, text extender. So these are the two different unique options. So summary from URL, you can copy and paste any URL, it will generate summary for you. Next rewrite the URL, rewrite from URL, rewriter from URL, next text extender. So these are the important things related with our writing as far as research writing. So I am going to click on content rewriter. In order to explore this content rewriter, enter a title for your rewritten text. Here enter the text you want to rewrite. So I am going to copy the text. So I am going to just give PV array. So like that I am going to give. So here you can see choose the language. So I am going to select British language, tone of voice. So still it is yet to be added. Next is save to folder. I am going to select the same folder I have created before, LMS. So here you can see that is the content we have copied and given the language. After that click on generate text. So let us see how this contents will rewrite our content. So here you can see our content is rewritten. So this is the rewritten content. So you can make use of this option to rewrite also. So this is you can use for your plagiarism reduction also. This types of that is templates you can use for your plagiarism reduction. So apart from this you can see there are text extender. You can improve the number of words in your text, or else you can see for grammar checker. It is like the same option also. So click on grammar checker. So here include your text to check. I am going to copy and paste the same grammar check. Next I am going to give a title PV check. So after that you can select your language. So you can save, click on the save folder. So after that click on generate text. So here our grammatically corrected sentence will be generated. So like that you can use this option to correct the grammar in your research paper also. So next moving on to our other parts. You will be having different options related with blog. So blog starting from title, section, ideas, intros and conclusion. Next email, website related things, fresh ideas. So here you can see talking points, startup name, generator, etc. Next frameworks. So these are the important things associated with this AI writer. So you can make use of this option in this AI writer. So apart from this you can use this AI art also. So in this AI art, so here you can see AI image creator, text to animation. So you can create an animation also. Next upscale image, you can improve the quality of your image. And then you can see audio to text. Next AI to that is AI translation. So here this is human based services, as I have said in the start of the video, human based services. So here these are the services available in this contents.com. Brief your writer, professional product description, professional translation. So if you want this services, you can avail these services by paying option. So apart from that, it has 1500 credits for free. So you can have a credits for 1500. So these are the pricing plans in this particular contents.com. So here these are the different pricing plans, starting from basic, intermediate, advanced, personalized. So these are the options available. So go on and check with this 1500 credits in this contents.com. If you are interested in, you can go for subscription option. So please use that 1500 credits for free and make your content very better. So this is all about this contents.com. Moving on to our next AI tool. The AI tool I have discussed is that it is used to mage.space. It is used to create image. By giving an input prompt, it will develop a better image for you. Or else here you can have an option called image upload. So you can drop a image and you can add a prompt. So it will customize that image according to the input prompt you have given. So for example, I am going to give installation of solar panel in rooftop. So this is the input prompt I am going to give. So let us see how it will generate image for us. So it will take a minute. So it is telling that please be patient, this can be take up to a minute. So let us see how it will generate a better image for us. Here you can see that a perfect image is generated for the installation of the PV in rooftop. So I have explored many of the AI tools. It is just to show solar panels that is present in a rooftop alone. So here you can see even the people who are belong to that installation also be shown in this picture. So this will be a better picture where you can this is a better site where you can generate better pictures by giving input prompts. So in this you will be having different options. Here you can see enhance, rerun, remix or reimage. So you can customize this image also by adding different prompts. That is a important option in this particular tool. So if you have any image or you can generate any image from any of the AI tool, so you can add this image in this site and you can customize this image by giving prompt. This is a fantastic option available in this mage.space. So you can make use of this option to generate a better content for your research paper. So hope you have a better idea about this mage.space. Go on and explore this mage.space. It's for free. So you can generate as a limited amount of images using this mage.space. So make use of this option to make your research content very easy, and you can customize the image in your research paper also using this mage.space. So in this video we have discussed two AI tools. First one is contents.com and mage.space. So contents.com is all about the writing. It has different templates associated with writing. So next one is mage.space. It is creating a unique image for your papers. So you can use or else you can customize the image. That is very important thing in mage.space. Hope these two videos will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.